Hello, I'm a Brady printer. With Brady's Print Smart technology, loading these self-contained ribbon cartridges is a snap. Literally. Look at that, we're done already. Now, let's wait for my colleague over here to load. You know, since we've got some time, I could tell you about how I automatically read which type of ribbon is loaded and calibrate accordingly. Yep, I am low maintenance, which is exactly what you'd want in a printer. That's just one example of the Brady Difference. There's that option. Now, find the right printer for your needs at this website, or call for more details today.